Hi again everyone, Veeliksa. In this video, I will be introducing some more nouns relating to places. The focus is on the country of Jamaica, and I will be giving the Oy'Nissh translations in Guayfemir and Veeliksa for the country, counties, and parishes. I invite you to subscribe and share this video with your family and friends so you can be posted with the latest videos. Thank you. In English, Cornwall. In Guayfemir, Dwi-Toria. In Veeliksa, Dwi-Toria. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I will now focus on the county of Middlesex.